Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Solana Beach. We're here in San Diego today touring an $8 million home. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, just over 3,300 square feet. Let's go check it out. So this home is $8 million, which is over $2,300 per square foot. So as you enter, you can really see that it's a personalized home, even the doors. Solana Beach is not the type of modern city. It's more chill, beachy vibe area. So we're gonna go into the first bedroom, to the shower. I mean, you can just tell. I'm not even sure when it was built, but probably in the 50s or even earlier. But it's very one of a kind, and especially the view. But this is the first bedroom, very cozy. What I love about Solana Beach is it's just cozy, very family-oriented homes, and you can really see your family living here. Personally, I think this is a 180 view of the kitchen. Is that as soon as when you're doing the dishes, cleaning things up, washing your hands, you can look at the ocean, and that's not something that you can do or say about a lot of homes, especially here in Solana Beach. So you are paying for that view over there. Baby, you want to hear a fun fact? Come here. Whenever you see the stores over here, that means it's a premium brand. It's very expensive, very good quality. So the other is very nice, very soft. Touch it with the fridge. Come here. Let's open it.
Right, thanks.
Wow. Very nice.
Probably just not.
2 ovens. Mother Russia. So this is the second, I would say, living room area, just hangout area for the family. You can watch TVs here. You can just relax and enjoy the time. You can see the ocean from one side and then TV from the other side. This is a beautiful bedroom that could be an office. Just look at this. Doing your work over here, looking from your window, looking at the ocean. To me, that is calming. It is really motivates me to work harder. And I can tell the person that owns this home, when they do work here, this chair is $2,000. This is an amazing chair that I'm actually considering getting. This desk is beautiful. It's not just your typical desk. And they get the wires going down there. Very nice. Of course, for your drinks and energy drinks too. We have a bathroom here. It's very unique. It's not too of a modern home, but it's just unique, personalized home, especially the bathroom. You have another bedroom here. Very calming, very soothing. I like the tree. The bedrooms are pretty good size too. Let's keep going. I'm gonna show you my favorite part of this home, which is the pool and the barbecue area. We're gonna go through here. I'm a big steak guy. I love steak, I love meat. So I could really see myself here cooking every single night. And then from this point of view, just looking at the ocean, especially at night. There is a little bit of road noise right now, but at night it calms down and you can really see the ocean. You can see waves. I would maybe even put like a telescope here, look at the dolphins, they're jumping out from the water. But personally, this is such a calming and soothing area. If you drink coffee, I would say even have like a coffee designated area here that you could just look at the ocean, calmly enjoy it. And the best part is nobody can build over the home, so you're gonna have this view no matter what. What do you think? Do you like it? She likes it so far. Very soothing and calming. I really do like this home. I think for $8 million, I think in my personal opinion, it's a little overpriced, but it is a very unique home, and unique homes are very hard to value because there's no other home that looks just like this. Basically like a cookie cutter home. So I play the night. I think this jacuzzi is perfect for laying down here and just looking at the ocean at night, or just having a picnic with your friends and just talking about life, because it doesn't feel like there's homes next to you. It feels very open, like you're on an island, or maybe even Mexico, in Cabo. Very peaceful. I really wonder how old these floors are. I'll be very surprised if this is from the first owner. But very pretty. I'm sorry, I'm walking out right now. This is so nice. Could be a gym room. That would actually be very nice. You already have the mirrors and everything. And you have a very cute desk. I would put one of our kids here so they can study and watch the ocean at night. This is so cute. But yeah, this room is pretty decent size, especially the roof. It's very tall, and I believe that was original. And even if you're looking at the fan over here, I believe it's custom. It doesn't look like any other home. That's the thing that I understand about this home. They can list it for that kind of price because of how unique it is. Because you're not going to be able to find another home just like this on this occasion. And with this kind of view. Coming after a long day. Okay, so fun fact, I believe the homes between the 50s and the 70s, the builders really like to have things like this where you can just burn your wood, where you can see from both sides. So a lot of times it's in the master, and it's dividing between the bathroom and the master. So as we walk in, look at this. You lay down, wash yourself, and you see the ocean. What do you think?
Nada.
Do you like the home? I hope you enjoyed touring this home here in San Diego. If you are looking to move, buy or sell here in San Diego, whether you're looking to invest or just to buy a home or sell a home that is yours, feel free to contact me. I'm going to leave all of my information down below in the description. I'm going to give you a private tour if you're interested. I also have some off-market deals here in San Diego. So if you are not finding something that you're looking for, I'm more than happy to show you some of our off-market collection. До свидания.